Good morning, children. This is Sabil speaking. Children, as we have completed till exercise 3.3, today we are going to start exercise 3.4, which is about probability. Children, I have asked you to complete till exercise 3.3, in which I have explained, I have showed you how to make bar graphs and double bar graphs. I discussed about those things. So children, today here in this particular video exercise 3.4, we are going to have a discussion on probability. What is probability and how probability works, what are the chances, this and that, possibilities, everything. So we'll have a discussion in this particular video. Children, what is probability? The very first questions comes on our mind. What is probability? Probability means possibility. Possibility in the sense chances. What are the chances? When we find the chances or outcomes that we represent in form of mathematics, numerically, that is all about probability. Children, it's a vast concept. It's a sort of an statistics assumption, and on basis of that, we will have a discussion on probability. Children, the very first things we will try to understand with a coin. Suppose, children, I am holding a coin. A coin has two faces, head and tail. If I flip a coin, if I make a toss, either I'll get head or I may get tail. Either it will be head or tail from each toss. So what is the probability? Probability of getting head is 50%. Probability of getting tail is 50%. In terms of percentage, we are trying to understand. When we are flipping a coin, either we may get head or we will get tail. The chances of getting head and tail is 50-50. Chances of getting head and tail is 50-50. That is all about probability. Children, probability can be understood more nicely when we will talk about a dice, a Ludo's die. A Ludo's die has got 6 faces. It has got 6 faces. So, out of 6 faces, if I make a move, I may get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number can appear in each move. So, question is, what are we getting? That we don't know, but that can be written in form of probability. This is called chances. So children, to find the probability or chances, we use a formula. The formula is, I'm writing on my copy, probability is equal to number of expected outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So the formula is probability is equal to number of expected outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Let us try to understand with the concept of a coin. Okay, children, I am making a toss. I'm flipping a coin. I'm making a toss. Suppose I want head, or I'll find the probability of head. So how many heads are there in a coin? 1 head. So I'll write number of expected outcome, means I'm expecting for head. So I have got only 1 head in a coin. So number of expected outcome means there is only 1 single head divided by total number of outcomes. How many total heads are there? I mean, there is the single head, 1 head is there. So I write 1 divided by total number of outcomes. how many total faces are there? There are two faces, head and tail both. So total number of outcomes means 2. Total, how many faces are there? Total is 2. And number of expected outcomes, suppose I'm finding for head, probability for head. One head is there, so I wrote 1 divided by total 2 faces means divided by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. Half means 50%. Half means 50%. So if you're told to find this one into percentage, just simply 1 by 2 multiplied by 100. It is not mandatory to convert it into percentage. I'm explaining. If you are asked to convert this probability comes always in fraction. We can convert into decimal also, but as we are starting only in class 7, so we will have to deal with only with fraction. So here I have got the fraction is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 will be multiplied to 100. So now 2 I'll cancel with 100, that is 50. That is 50%. I have got 50% head. Now, what about tail? If I want to find the probability of tail, it is same process. Again, the same formula will be utilized. Number of expected outcome divided by total number of outcomes. So total number of outcomes is what? That is 2, because there are 2 faces, and there is one tail in the coin, so it's 1 by 2. Again, if I want to convert it into percentage, I'll just multiply it by 100. It will be cancelled. I'll get 50%. Before only I have just now only I have explained there are 50% chances of getting head and 50% of chances getting tail. Let us understand with a die. A die means a Ludo's die. It has got 6 faces. 6 sides means 6 faces. Printed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose, children, I want to find the probability of the face where printed 2. Try to understand. Suppose I want to find the probability of face printed 2. Printed number 2. I want to find the probability of that face. Achha. How many faces are there printed 2? Only one face is there. Children, I am repeating my word once again. There is a single face of a die in which it's printed 2. Yes or no? Yes. So how many faces are there printed 2? Only one face is there printed 2. Divided by, what is the total number of faces? There are 6 faces. Probability is 1 by 6. Please, children, don't write 2 by 6. It's not that number you are writing. You are writing the number of faces, number of outcomes that we call outcomes. So I'm finding for the face number 2. There are single face in the die, on a die in which we can find printed 2. Only single face. All the numbers are single only. Right from 1 is single, 2 is single, 3 is single, 4 is single, 5 is single, 6 is single. All these faces, all these numbers are printed single on a dice. So I'll write 1 by 6. Similarly, suppose I want to find the probability of face where printed 5. So how many faces are there printed 5? Only one face is there. Only one single face is there, that is printed 5. So probability of getting 5 is 1 by 6 only. 1 by 6. Suppose I want to find for 3, that is also 1 by 6. Suppose I want to find for 4, that is also 1 by 6. So children, this was basic idea about probability. I will be expecting you all to go through the exercise and try out those concepts which is given in the book. It's a very small exercise 3.4. I'm always there. I'm always next to you to help you out for all sort of supports. Drop your queries if you have any problem. Till then, thank you, children. Thank you so much.